guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner tutorial. And I know that there are so many winged eyeliner tutorials all over the internet, but this one's a little different because I'm gonna take you step by step from the very beginning, like important things like priming your eyes and why that's important to a good eyeliner look, all the way to shaping your eyelashes to fit your eyeliner look. I'm gonna stop rambling here and let's get into it. So the secret to getting a good wing is starting off with a good base. A lot of people will go in and prime their eyelids with like a concealer or a foundation. The problem with that is those are a little more oil-based, they're a little more watery, and that's when you're gonna start to get your makeup slipping off your lids. Your eyeshadow is gonna crease, your eyeliner is gonna get all goopy in the corner of your eye, and it's just not gonna be a wing anymore. You really wanna go in with something that's going to grip that makeup onto your skin. So having a designated eyeshadow primer is probably your best bet to have a wing that's gonna stay flawless all day. I love using the MAC Paint Pot. I find that it really helps grip your makeup onto your eyelids. I do get oily eyelids myself, so this really helps the makeup just stay on all day long. You really don't need much of this. It's just like a tiny, tiny bit with your finger, and then you just start dabbing your eyelids. Once your primer is fully set, that's when you're gonna wanna go in with your eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is much easier to do before eyeliner, so that's what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna keep it really, really simple today. All right, so I just did like the most basic, simple eyeshadow ever because we're not focusing on eyeshadow today, but we are gonna go in with the eyeliner now. So I absolutely love the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I find that this is one that actually does stay all day long. And the fact that it's waterproof is great because I always have one eye that's always watering. And if I use any other eyeliner, that wing is just disappeared and then the other eye has a wing. It's just not a cute look. This one stays all day long. And also the way like how it's shaped like a pen, I find it so much easier to use than like a brush or anything. It's all about preference and it's all about practice. So you find what works best for you, but this eyeliner for me is just amazing. All right, so let's get started. So when you're doing your eyeliner, never hold your eye taut. First of all, that causes premature wrinkles. Second of all, once you hold your eye taut and then you let it go, it's not gonna look as nice and it's not gonna look as natural. So what you're gonna wanna do is start at the very inner corner of your eye and work in quick, small strokes. Have you ever seen a tattoo artist create a tattoo? They will never do like one long line at once because you're more likely to mess up. They're gonna do quick, small strokes so that they have more control, and that's what you wanna do. Start off with a basic rounded eye from the inner corner of your eye to the outer corner. We're not gonna go in with the wing just yet. Okay, so now that the eye is perfectly rounded, it's time to go in with the wing. Everybody's lower lash line goes out a little further than the upper lash line. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're going to want to line your pen or your brush or whatever up with that lower lash line to the tail of your eyebrow. That's what's gonna give you the most natural looking wing. Now, if you go a little more up in terms of your wing, that's gonna give you like a doe-eyed look. If you go a little more like down towards your temples, that's gonna give you more of a sultry look. But today we're just gonna go with like natural, like what works with the shape of my eye. So going from that lower lash line to the tail of my eyebrow, you're gonna wanna put the most pressure down initially and then flick quickly. So I've created like the tiniest little flick with my wing. So that's gonna be a good base to start off with. So we're gonna go in and do the flick on the other side. A good technique for this is just to hold your mirror up as you do it, just to make sure that everything is even and you don't have like one wing going down and one wing going up. Okay, so next, you're not gonna wanna start right at the tip of that flick. You're gonna wanna start a little bit of a ways down, tilt your head back, and create a bit of a triangle. So at this point, you should have a bit of a hollowed out triangle right in the corner of your eye. And now you can just start going and filling it in and kind of cleaning it up. And again, if you don't feel like your liner is even, just hold your mirror straight ahead, look at the wings, see if they're even, go ahead and fix them however you need to. But that's a great way to like really stare at yourself straight on, because when you're in a mirror and you're like really focusing on each eye, you might not be seeing the bigger picture and what people are actually gonna see when they look at you. If you find that you mess up at all, you can go in with a Q-tip that's soaked in a little bit of makeup remover and just kind of clean it up. Even if you just kind of want to make that edge a little sharper, just go in with a Q-tip, clean that up, and it should make it sharp as a knife. Next is mascara, and if you are going for that doe-eyed look, then just swipe your mascara wand up, and then once your mascara has dried, go ahead and use an eyelash curler and you will get that big doe-eyed effect. Also, if you wanna manipulate your eyes a little more to look really big and doe-eyed, just put some white eyeliner on your lower lash line. That's gonna open things up and it's gonna look like really cute and doll-like. But if you are going for more of a sultry look, and my eyes are naturally like almond shaped, so I always just naturally gravitate towards that look. So just kind of put your mascara on the way you normally would, but as you lift the wand, lift it outwards. That's gonna make the hair go out towards the wing and it's gonna look a lot more sultry. And last but not least, I always like to go in with a little bit of highlight in my inner corner, and today I'm going in with the MAC eyeshadow in the shade Floof. It's like a really nice, like almost frosty type eyeshadow. So just go in with a brush, lightly dab that, and just put it into the inner corner of my eye. That's gonna like open things up. It's gonna make it look a lot more glamorous. And who doesn't like a little more glam in their lives? That's pretty much it. That's how I do my wing liner every single day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down below in the comments. Leave me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every single week. So until next week, I'll see you guys later.